Somebody took care of this. Yep. Definitely. I love buying cars like this. On this episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we head to Newark, Delaware to pick up a 2006 Ford Fusion. Have arrived. Newark, Delaware. '2006 Ford Fusion. Come on, people. Let's go.
Hey, we're going to ask for Mooney.
Mooney?
Chris
Chris?
Mooney.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Pick it up. How you doing?
Good.
Chris, right?
Yep.
I think they were behind the building, right, last time? Or
It should be across the street.
across the street? Yeah, I think I picked up here one time before.
What car are we looking for?
Ford Fusion, I think. Yeah.
Have you ever picked up across the street?
You know what? I came here one time before. I don't remember exactly.
I'll put it into your map.
Okay. You know what? I didn't bring my phone. It's in the truck.
900 Ogletown Road.
900 Ogletown Road?
Yep.
Okay.
And there's a weird rack on it. Those are the keys
Oh, really?
for the rack.
Okay, cool.
900 Ogletown Road. It'll be out on the dirt.
Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, you got it.
900 Ogletown Road. Let's see. Oh. 900 Ogletown Road. Alright, let's pick this hoopty up, see how it runs. Actually, got my truck all muddy. I'm about to take it to the car wash. Probably help if I use the right key. It stinks in here. Sitting on top of the dashboard. We got a penny for my buddy Tony. What else do we have? Remote control. 1 penny, that's it. Alright. Oops, oh. 2 pennies. That's another penny. Tony collects pennies. 3 pennies. Is actually nice. 268,000 miles, but it's clean. This is worth the trip. We'll see what happens when we drive it and see how it runs. Let's head back to the Hoopty headquarters and see how it runs. Stay tuned. Alright, so we just got back. I'm going to pull this off the trailer, see how it runs. We're not at Hoopty headquarters today because we have no more room. So we're at my house, where I have plenty of room. We're packed. Let's take it off, see how it runs, and we'll put a price on it. Alright, let's take this bad boy for a ride. $268,000 miles. I think this is a good one though. I prefer high mileage cars because they're usually taken care of. To get to that mileage, 268 is a lot of miles, especially for a Ford Fusion. But this thing runs, so far it runs great. Wow. Yeah. If you don't look at the mileage, you don't know what, you would never think that it had 268,000 miles, because even the suspension feels good. Wow, not bad. Nice radio. If I know how to work it. There you go. Wow, this is a nice car. We don't need a radio. It's got a remote control too. See, this is a good sign. 3/26/25, which today is actually the 20. What's today's date? Today is. First of all, I got a text. Today is the 25th. actually, it's due for an oil change by tomorrow. And 272, and it's got 268, so it's not even due for an oil change yet. 272, it's got 268, but it runs beautiful. This is 2,000 all day long. This is going right to the car lot, Hoopty headquarters, and put for sale. Anybody who gets in this and drives it, they'll buy it. Done deal. It runs really good. Wow. Even the wheel bearings are quiet. Usually at 268,000 miles, the wheel bearings are noisy, and cars have a lot of problems. This one feels really good. It's got power too. Not bad. I would actually drive this if I needed something to drive. Shifts beautiful, shifts down, no clunking, no problems. Shit, what was I doing the wrong way? Where am I going? So this was definitely a good buy. Definitely a good buy. Check the fluids, drop it off at the car lot. Put it for sale tonight. Actually, no, I gotta pull the trailer out. So I have to tow this down there. I've been waiting for the title. We finally got the title for it, so. Not bad. And I remembered I'm giving me the keys for the roof rack. This has a tool roof rack. That roof rack is probably a couple $100. Let's see. Oh yeah. Nice and clean. Just like the sticker says. Full. Beautiful. Somebody took care of this. Yep. Definitely. I love buying cars like this. Because when I sell to the customer, they're happy because they got a good car. Look at the tires. Got some nice tires. Look at Michelin's. Shit, they're expensive tires. Alright guys, there you have it. It's going to be $19.99, 2006 Ford Fusion. This is a good one.